Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today I've got a little special video for you. I've just done my first ever key extraction. I used Rev's picks, my key extractor for the first time. Pretty impressed I got it out. I'm going to use a snowman and the tension tool to get this little baby open. Going to go for top of the keyway. It's the first time I've ever raked. You'll notice I'm not in my lock studio. That's because I'm away and I was asked to get into this cash drawer because the key obviously broke off and there's no spare. There's also a filing cabinet I was asked to get into. I tried to single pin pick it and I tried the snowman on it, but it just wouldn't work. But there was such low tolerances between the drawer and the lock, there was such a gap. I broke one of my tension wrenches doing it, but I was able to get in, bend the thing holding the latch in, the cam in, and semi-destructively entered. The top drawer opened. Then I was able to go into the second drawer and unscrew the back of the cam, turned it by hand, no, I took it off, turned it around, put the screw back in, and then I was able to get in. Oh yes! We're in snowman, tension wrench. It's all about the tension. I'm very happy. This is my first ever wafer lock. This is my first ever entry with the snowman. I have tried so many times to use this little baby. Never gotten in. Very happy. So this is a little extra video. I know I said I'd be back on the 27th, but this I'm very happy with. Not going to close this back up because when you close it, it locks again. So thanks for watching. This is Pocket Woman saying stay legal, temptations everywhere.